Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel. Today we will talk about prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are natural numbers that are divisible by only 1 and the number itself. So what we can say, these are the natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are those numbers which start from 1. So natural numbers are those numbers which we naturally use for counting. So 0 was discovered later, but counting was started before the discovery of 0. So natural numbers are those numbers which we use naturally for counting. So prime numbers are those natural numbers that are divisible by only 1 and the number itself. Or we can say that prime number have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. For example, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So if you consider here 2 has only two factors, or we can say 2 can be divided by only 1 and the number itself. Similarly is the case with 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So here we can see the example 5. 5 has only two factors, 1 and 5. No other number can divide 5. Okay, no other natural number can divide 5. So 5 is divisible by only 1 and 5. So it is a prime number. So here we solve a question which is prime number, 13 or 15. So we can see here that 15 has more than two factors. 15 has more than two factors. What are the factors? 1, 3, 5 and 15. So we can see 15 can be divided by 3, 15 can also be divided by 5, 15 can be divided by 1 and 15 can be divided by itself. So in totality 15 has 4 factors. So it is not a prime number, whereas 13 has two factors only, 1 and 13 itself. No other number can divide 13, so 13 is a prime number. Moving on, now we will understand what are composite numbers. So all other numbers other than these prime numbers are called composite numbers. So all other numbers are called composite numbers. Now we will learn some facts about the prime numbers. What are the facts? These are some important facts. First fact is 1 is neither prime nor composite. Why? Because to be a prime number, a number has to have two factors, 1 and the number itself, whereas 1 has only one factor. Okay, so it cannot be considered a prime number. On the other hand, composite numbers have more than two factors, so 1 has no two factors, so it can't be considered as composite number as well. So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Second fact is all prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. This is a very interesting fact. All prime numbers are odd except 2, and 2 is also the smallest prime number and it is the only even prime number. It is the only even prime number. All other prime numbers are odd. So here I have provided a table for you to know the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So these numbers which are filled with pink color are prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So you can clearly see 19 has only two factors, 1 and 19. No other number divides 19 completely. 17 also has only two factors, 1 and 17 itself. So similarly these numbers are prime numbers from 1 to 100. So I have also provided a table for you. Prime numbers between 1 to 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Similarly up to 100 we have provided the numbers which are prime. So in totality these are the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Now we will compare prime numbers with composite numbers so as to make you more understanding, so you can understand these concepts more clearly. So first point is prime number has two factors only. Prime number has two factors. Which two factors? One and the number itself. Whereas composite numbers have more than two factors. So the second difference is that it can be divided by 1 and the number itself. For example, 2 is a prime number and it is divisible by 1 and 2 only. Composite numbers can be divided by all its factors. For example, 6. 6 has 4 factors, 2, 3, 6 and 1. So it is divisible by 4 numbers. Here third difference is the examples. Examples of prime number are these, whereas examples of composite numbers are these. And you can clearly see here that 2 is the only even prime number. All other prime numbers are odd numbers. So with this we conclude this topic, and I hope you have a better understanding of prime numbers and composite numbers now. If you have any doubt still left, you can comment in the comment box, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe this channel to get more such videos, to encourage me to make more such videos. Thank you everyone. Thank you.